Hey everyone, I've been seeing this Eonfit EL2 2.0 leg press machine popping up all over my feed lately, and after digging into what it actually does, I get why. It's one of those pieces of home gym equipment that promises to cover a ton of lower body moves in one compact footprint, which is exactly what a lot of us are looking for right now. So I decided to take a closer look and put together this quick review. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. First up, the thing that really stands out is the 4-in-1 design. You're getting a traditional leg press, a hack squat station, a calf raise platform, and even a seated leg press angle. That means you can hit quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves without needing 4 separate machines cluttering up your space. If you've ever tried to juggle a leg press, hack squat, and calf raise setup in a small home gym, you know how much of a hassle it can be. This one unit replaces all of that, and it folds down pretty compactly when you're not using it. The build quality feels solid. The frame is rated for 1,300 pounds, which is way more than most of us will ever load up, but it's reassuring to know it's built to handle heavy use. The shoulder and backrest are thickly padded, and the seat adjusts to fit different heights, so you're not stuck with awkward angles that strain your joints. I also like the linear bearing system on the hack squat station. It makes the movement feel smooth and controlled, which is a big deal when you're pushing heavy weight. Adjustability is another big win here. The angle of the leg press plate can be set to 45 degrees, which is standard, but the hack squat station lets you shift between a more upright position and a deeper squat angle. That small tweak makes a huge difference in targeting different muscle groups. If you're doing high-rep leg days or heavy strength training, being able to fine-tune your stance without swapping out attachments is a game-saver. Safety-wise, the gas springs make adjusting the seat and backrest effortless. No more wrestling with heavy bolts or pins that stick. And because the machine is self-spotting in hack squat mode, you can bail out safely if you hit failure. That's a feature you don't see on a lot of budget leg press setups, and it's a big reason this one feels premium. Now, no machine is perfect. The footprint is still pretty large when it's fully set up. It's not something you're going to tuck into a closet after every use. And while the assembly isn't terrible, it's definitely a two-person job for some of the heavier parts. If you're rolling solo, plan on an hour or so with a buddy or a sturdy helper. All in all, if you're looking for a single machine that can cover leg press, hack squats, and calf raises without taking over your entire garage, this Eonfit EL2 2.0 is worth a serious look. It's built to last, the movement feels natural, and the versatility means you won't get bored with the same old routine. If you want to check it out, the link is below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. For most buyers, the real question is not whether Eonfit EL2 2.0 leg press machine for home gym, hack squat machines with linear bearing 45, calf raise machine, 4-in-1 design lower body strength training equipment 1,300 pounds with weight storage sounds impressive on paper, but whether strengths like ultimate leg exercise experience Eonfit leg press hack squat and versatile 4-in-1 design transform your workouts with the actually make daily use feel easier, more dependable, and more worthwhile. After the first few days of excitement wear off. It is also smart to think about long-term satisfaction. A product like Eonfit EL2 2.0 leg press machine for home gym, hack squat machines with linear bearing 45, calf raise machine, 4-in-1 design lower body strength training equipment 1,300 pounds with weight storage usually feels like the better buy when it stays convenient, comfortable, and reliable in normal everyday use instead of only looking good in the listing.